Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, how to change your Google account name. Browse this recommendation your videos and change account name. To today's topic, changing Google accounts. If you legal changing your name, our simply like use defense name and online easy to change your account name in Google. You can this in desktop, Android, iPhone and iPad. Now note that changing your Google account name and defines your format, changing your Gmail display name, and that's mean people when to receiving email if your account is different. And changing your this in people with receiving your Google account defines your Google account names. Also Google allow your changing account name and many time when your account name and approved version and Google's your account name and approved and service include but not limited MPS map YouTube related how to change your display name and on Gmail's table of content. Update your Google account name and desktop. Modify your account names Android. Change your Google name iPhone and iPad. Update your account name and desktop. If you went to Windows, Maze links and book computer make use and of the Google account website changing your account name. Start processor by launched and browsing, opening your Google account, set your login into account. After starting the site, left sidebar, click person information. Personal information on your security right now. Data and privacy security ones of the right and basic info selection. Click and correct your account name. Basic. You are now ready to change account name and click first name. Treat and type first name in the selected last name field and trace a new last name. This click save and saving changing Malaysians and you can see name and anyone see and community with your once contact with service cancelled save your account name is successful changing if you new and see approved digital Google product. The best tech and usually anyways joining and subscribing daily the guest feature articles news and travel by some email and terms and users articles and by something your email agreement terms and user privacy policies related how to successful your account and account modify your account. That update your name and Android first and launch it setting in your phone. In setting scroll down digital web name and personal content Google search service and once the perfect page and benefit your name tab management your Google account. Meshed mark and manage your Google account is the tab person tab from basic section and correct name. Basic some info you are visible and people using Google service let more and photo help and your account and once of the page your editable and name field will be displayed. Selected the first name and feed. Type your name first and tips last name trader and the last names. Choose your selected Mesha Hari. Who can see your name? Anyone can. That's info way to community create and overviews content create service Google's safe and your name has been successful changing your Google name in iPhone and iPad to update your account name your iPhone iPad your user and the Gmail app the first launch Gmail your phone in the app top left and contact tab and the homepage menus and these line in the main menu that's your population create settings send feedback once of the setting page and tag your account correct ideas select manage your account benefit and name personal information from the basic section and choose correct name and basic information some anyway visibility and other people using Google service found out more photo a helpful pronunciation your account your interest your name and tips in first name filter and type your new first names type last name and feed interest your name new last name and save your changing in type save. Who can your names and this and changing your name account your name and display in all Google service going forwardation. Read next way to apply logo is bit taken out it what does it and when and how to use it the five ways free cold store service survey how to change your entire ceiling your Wi-Fi we infrared amazing return gaming educational iPhone SMS message Hungary your tank martialist and freelancers take written who in especially with how to guide has been written and technology tutorial in overview stated how to written for some and promotion takes still and creation project management and cheap work we and the use to USA. How to give and the best newsletter about content and privacy policies. How to get and ways to turn you went to expert technologician and launched 206 hours articles has been read the 1 billionth time we went to now more. Changing the Google account is related. How to change your display name in email. And table and content. Upgrade your account name and desktop to simple. Open the Google Manage account and the select name and change the name. Personal information and the click right selection and create. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.